Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Beast. This is going to be a massive sales page. We're going to be glossing over a lot. As per usual, this is an honest review video. There will be a link in the description. I'm going to cut to the chase. I am not going to recommend that you purchase this product. However, if you decide that after looking at this, you think it is a good product for you or something you want to get into, the link is there. You can go look at this on your own. If you are going to purchase it, I would love if you purchased it through my link. But in the interest of honesty, this is the sort of product that I see and I run away from pretty much screaming. Now, that said, there's going to be a price on this. We'll get down to there. We'll get down to the bottom of the sales page. We'll see the price before too long. This is one of those products where the price is going to look really, really great, and you are absolutely not going to get much of the product for that. You're going to get a very limited version of the product. Now, what is Beast? Well, there's a promotional video here that tells you just enough to make it worthwhile. It is more of a promotional video than it is a demo video. There's a demo video on the JV page that I actually thought about showing here. It's a few minutes long, but the reality is that the demo really doesn't make me want to buy this. I'm getting ahead of myself though, so let me explain what Beast actually is. It's going to sell you on traffic, and the big traffic secret is WhatsApp. It's going to give you a software as a service, okay? So online software that you have. You're going to set up an account, and you're going to be able to use this. And what it's going to do is let you take and link. You're going to generate your hop links or your affiliate links, whatever you want to call them, and you're going to be able to use those to create content to publish through WhatsApp with the intention of generating traffic and generating sales through WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp is a massive phenomenon. WhatsApp is used in a lot of places in the world, particularly places. It's kind of catching on a little bit in North America, but if you go to say Southeast Asia or China, you'll find a lot of WhatsApp users. So that part of the world in particular, and of course that is at this point in history where there's a lot of people living over there. So this does mean that there's a lot of potential customers over there who can pick up your products if you're advertising them through WhatsApp. Facebook is great if you're trying to reach people who are, I would say, mostly over 30 in North America, who are, but if you're younger people from other countries, they aren't on Facebook as much as we are in Canada, the United States, etc. So what it's going to do is it's going to let you tap into that. Now, I mentioned you're not going to get an awful lot of the product for the initial price. I don't think we've seen the price. I have looked over the sales page one or two times already, and it's going to tell us here: brand new, first of its kind, newbie friendly WhatsApp traffic software that gets you buyer traffic in 23 seconds or less. It looked to me as though most of the features in the demo, at least most of the demo, seemed dedicated to basically just creating the graphic. That is, we found a pre-generated ad. You watch somebody find a picture of a robot and put that at the front and put some text in. And that's kind of neat, but you can do the same thing on Canva for free. So that to me is not a big sales feature. It's convenient to have it built into the website the web software that you're already using. But at the same time, I really don't think it's a big deal just to hop over to Canva and create something in the same amount of time with potentially a much larger library at your hands. After that, realistically, what I would do instead of purchasing Beast, to be honest, what I would do is I would simply become familiar with WhatsApp. If you know how to use, if you're familiar with WhatsApp, and I'm going to be honest, I'm not an expert, but there's all kinds of stuff you can find on how to reach people, how to build an audience, how to market through WhatsApp, and just go from there. If you know how to find affiliate deals and how to generate links and things like that, like I said, go over to Canva or something like that, where you've got free software online that lets you create images and use this. Now, back to the not getting the full product. Now, we still haven't seen a price on this. I think... Oh, there we go. Grab now and save $30. So today, one time only, $17. This has a pile of upsells. So I'm going to actually take you over this. Oh, that's not the one I want. This is the one that I want. So this is showing the sales funnel for Beast. The sales funnel is basically once you look at the main page, it's going to give you a number of one-time offers. And there's a lot. And the first one we see is an unlimited. Then there's a VIP setup. There's an autopilot. There's a done for you. And by the time we're done, this actually has 10 upsells that are available. So what is being sold to you for $17 is this. This is Beast Max. It's this minus everything else, right? So all of these upsells represent features that aren't being included in the initial software. So what looks like you can have it for $17, really, to get the unlimited, unlocked, fully functional version is going to cost you hundreds of dollars. Now, the other reason that I would tell you not to buy this, not only are you going to get an incomplete product here, but this is being released through Digital Page Designs. This is, and if you don't believe me, we can scroll up here, and here we go, vendor Digital Page Designs. You can go over, check them out. And we can see not a lot of spectacular reviews on this. And this is because a lot of people watch the sales video, they watch the demo video, and then they purchase the product. And the product that they get, because they want to pay $17, or maybe you can get one or two of the upsells, but you don't want to, and I'll be honest, even the JV page only shows, I think, 4 or 5 of those upsells. So I can't even tell you what to get the max version would actually cost you. But look at this, Electrify. This has a 1.62 rating. Now, you wouldn't go to a restaurant that had a 1.62 rating unless maybe it was owned by a family member and you ate for free. Even like a 2.32, where's a big one? Astonish up here, this is a 3.15. Now, keep in mind, this isn't being rated by some board of reviewers. This is being rated by people who have paid for the product. So this is representing a great deal of dissatisfaction with these products. Now, note, there's a lot of sales. These guys are very successful. Top 5% vendor, superstar vendor. But this is not, to me, and again, as an affiliate, these are the things that I look at before I promote a product, because, and I realize that everybody can have a bad product or a first product that's not good, but there's a lot of sales here, and there's a great deal of dissatisfaction. Okay, so here we go. So again, I think WhatsApp, I think the software has some potential. There's definitely a huge market that you can reach through WhatsApp. But is it going to be worth all of the headaches and difficulties that you deal with if you get a lower quality version? Or is it worth the several $100s that you're going to pay to get the full max version? Let's see. This is great. This is showing the bonuses. Now I'm recording this a short while before the product comes out. I'm recording this the day before, Bonus number one. This is Latin text that basically it gets used in a lot of places where you've got writing software simply to represent. It's filler text. It's meant to be replaced, and literally no one by the day before has gone through to replace that text. Sales snapshots are irrelevant because this isn't even telling us that we're getting money coming through from it doesn't tell us we're making sales through WhatsApp. So again, it's not really useful to us. Huge page, lots of hype. If you look at this, you're going to think this looks really great, right? You're earning $100 while you sleep, zero work, zero effort, zero time, zero money. Does that sound good? That sounds great. But is that the reality of what you're going to get? I'm not convinced. Okay, there is a satisfaction guarantee on this, and they're saying it's 365-day. That is a good size guarantee, and they're telling you that if you put the software to use and don't get results, open a ticket, and not only will we refund you, but we'll also send you a further $500 for wasting your time. Part of me wants to be a jerk and say that this is probably the best reason to buy the product. But again, my recommendation, by the way, if you're going to buy this so you get your money back, please don't buy it through my links, because it actually looks bad on a vendor or on an affiliate when you get a refund after purchasing a product through them. So if you're just after this, let me know in the comments if you just want your money back, and I'm sure I can send you towards some much less honest affiliates who are probably giving this an amazing review, and you can go buy it from them and then spank them by getting your money back. But my recommendation is simply not to. This is showing what the bonuses are down here. There's special gifts as well. Okay. So again, there's a lot of stuff being offered to you, and some of it. So we're going to back up here. Some of these bonuses and gifts may well be worth more than Beast is. So hopefully by the time this goes up, they'll have fixed that, and you'll actually have a solid description on the bonuses. But as it is, like I said, I would personally give this one a pass. This is exactly the kind of product that I tend to walk away from. There's a lot of people, myself included, who, not necessarily this product specifically, but there's a lot of people who've been bitten by products like this because they make huge boasts, they look really, really great, and they don't deliver. And you're going to find yourself frustrated. You're going to buy the front end product, and you're going to find yourself very dissatisfied. You're going to make an upgrade. It's going to cost you however much money, and then, actually, do we have that open? I think we have that over here, right? So front $17, then you get $39, then $197, then $39, right? And I can't even tell you what these are, but the point is that how many hundreds of dollars are you going to spend before you get frustrated enough that you want your money back? Okay, so again, I would walk away on this one. I think there's certainly better systems to make money, and there's probably better ways you can learn to use WhatsApp for marketing. So I hope that that's been helpful, guys. Check out my other videos, like, subscribe, check out the links in the description, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.